I am Michelle Martin, and I'm with Inside the Outdoors. I'm a field naturalist. We are going to compare the wetland and the upland. I really want to get these kids excited about nature. I want them to be able to say, hey, Mom, I went to my field trip today, and I'm so excited because I can name a couple different plants, and I saw a rabbit, and I saw an osprey, and all these things excite them, and that's exactly what we want to do.
Anytime you can do transformative efforts to make learning real world experiences, to take kids out of their school site, to introduce this new world to our students through their experiences as part of our regular school day, it goes above and beyond what can be accomplished just in a classroom. That's opened up a whole new world to them.
He was this great spirit. He looked down at the earth and he saw this big blue ball.
What better way to implement next generation science standards than giving students rich content and real world experiences?
Marvin encounters a rattlesnake and he gets bitten. Nothing happens to him, right?
This is just a great hands-on opportunity for the kids to see, nature and wildlife. It's just a perfect supplement for our second grade standards.
Everything that they learn within the classroom can once again be brought back outside. You can hear the birds, you can feel the wind on you. It's the 5 senses. You get the whole sensory experience that kids need. I think it's really important to keep bringing kids outside to explore, use their 5 senses, and the greatest part of that is that they start asking questions.
Everybody say exoskeleton.
Exoskeleton. We have different animals that we'll use in the field to teach hands-on science for the students, and we can kind of talk about the different structures of the animals and how they adapt to living in different ecosystems and environments here in Southern California. We really try to focus on native animals, and we got to give the children the experience of getting to meet these animals hands-on, up close and personal. If you can't make it out on one of our field programs, we can always bring our science programs to you with our traveling scientist experiences.
My name is Amy. And I am a traveling scientist with Inside the Outdoors. I am so excited to be here today. We're going to talk about some science, and then we're going to meet some live animals.
The traveling scientist actually visits our school sites and brings animals with them, so our kids on their own campus get a chance to have these interactions with animals.
A lot of times this is their very first opportunity to see an animal and meet an animal up close that's different from a domestic cat or dog. It's really fun with the younger kids because their awe and their excitement is so raw and so new, and they get excited about the littlest things. He can change his color to match the color of the tree that he's living in. But I really enjoy the older students as well because I get to delve into the deeper science and talk a little bit more about the science of why I'm here and relate it back to what they're learning in the class. His entire neck turns all the way black, and that is to make him look super scary and fierce. My favorite definitely are gopher snakes. Snakes are fun because they're scary for the students, they're exciting, they're also really easy to handle and easy for students to really get up close and check them out.
What we hope that they get out of this is just an understanding of their role in protecting nature, protecting these animals that they have a chance to interact with.
I get to see nature, and sometimes it can be really beautiful and learn new things.